In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use leads and deals in Monday.com CRM. We'll start from the Monday.com home screen, pick the right workspace, spin up a CRM board from a template, and then tailor it so it cleanly tracks both leads and deals. Begin on the Monday.com homepage. This is your command center, and it's the fastest way to jump into sales work. Look to the left side navigation and open workspaces. Workspaces help you keep marketing, sales, and operations separate, so choose the one where your CRM should live. If your team already has a sales or CRM workspace, use that so everything stays organized and permissioned properly. Next, hover over the board area inside that workspace. You'll see quick actions appear. Choose the option to start with a template. Templates are a huge time saver because they come with the structure, columns, and views you'll need for leads and deals without you having to build everything from scratch. This opens the Template Center. Head to All Templates so you can browse, then into the General Templates section to see the broader library. Use the search bar and type CRM. You're looking for a sales CRM that includes leads and deals tracking. Click into the CRM template card to preview it. This preview lets you see the groups, example columns, and any built-in views like Kanban, table, or charts, so you can confirm it matches your process. When you're ready, select Use Template. Choose the workspace we picked earlier and confirm. In a few seconds, your new CRM board is created and ready to adjust. Now make your edits. Start by aligning the groups. Many CRM templates include groups like new leads, qualified, or won, closed. Rename groups to reflect your stages, such as lead intake, qualified lead, negotiation, and won or lost. Next, review columns. For leads, you'll likely want columns for company, contact, email, phone, owner, lead source, and status. For deals, confirm you have deal stage, value, probability, expected close date, and notes. If any are missing, repurpose unused columns or add new ones so the board captures exactly what your team needs. Open the views the template provides. A table view is great for data entry, while a Kanban by stage helps visualize movement from lead to deal. Filters are your friend here. Save a view filtered to just active leads or another showing only open deals with a close date this month. Color coding statuses makes at-a-glance prioritization easier. Once you've tuned groups, columns, and views, you're set. Your board now separates leads from deals while keeping them in one streamlined CRM. Save your changes and you're ready to track, qualify, and close with clarity.